Hello everyone, I'm Hassan Musavi, and I'm thrilled to be with you in this course. This training is recorded using the latest version of Unreal Engine and is still in the process of being completed, an incredible opportunity to master architectural and cinematic projects. We've designed this course to help you learn the most skills in the shortest time possible. Everything is taught step by step and fully project-based, ensuring a deep and practical learning experience. Every week, 2 new sessions will be uploaded to the Mr. Pixel YouTube channel, so you can follow along consistently. For easy access, just scan the QR code displayed in the corner of the videos. The sessions come with projects files for practice and detailed notes. You can use AI chatbots to translate these notes into your preferred language and even have them saved as PDFs. The course is divided into 4 exciting seasons, with each lesson lasting around 30 minutes, long enough to cover the material thoroughly, but short enough to keep it engaging. Let's take a quick look at some of the topics we'll explore together in this course. Stick with Mr. Pixel, because we're about to take your skills to the next level with the most up-to-date training out there.